What's up, guys? If you are removing garage flooring like this, these are little 12-inch blocks that link together. If you're picking yours up or selling it or whatever, or you're picking it up from another location, easiest way to do it is to leave it in little 3x5 sections. And these are all 12 inches each, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 across. And leave them in sections like that. Then they're easier to transport, if you're putting them in a truck or an SUV, or if you're getting them ready for sale, you can just stack them like this, and they can be put in the back of a pickup truck or wagon or SUV or tractor, trailer, whatever. It just makes them easier to transport, and they're not so huge, and they're not so tiny either. If you're trying to deal with 12-inch sections times 10,000, you got a lot to deal with compared to just sections like this. And it's good if you use some sort of gloves, because it will tear your hands up, because it's already torn these gloves up, which were quite old. But make sure you wear some sort of gloves when handling these. And you got to be real, you got to be really demonstrative with them. So we're going to go up 5 right here, pick up these right here, and just stomp on it. Stomp it. Okay, go from here. Pick it up like this and carry it to the stack, and that's all there is to it. And just carry it in one big section like this. Fling it up there. That's all there is to it. Very simple. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff on our channel that you might like, relating to working around the house, working on dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, hot rods, new stuff, old stuff around the house too. Check it out, and if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen, and feel free to send us a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.